Ikaw, Rod, may share ka?
Yes, si Rod.
So, guys, um, has globalization changed me? Honestly, yes.
Oh my
Dahil
God.
sa globalization, mas nagiging aware ako sa iba't ibang cultures, trends, and ideas na dati na hindi ko naman agad ma-experience, di ba? Ganun naman talaga.
Diba?
Through platforms like TikTok, parang lumiliit ang mundo, lahat connected, lahat accessible. Pero hindi rin siya perfect kasi minsan napapansin ko na nawawala yung originality kasi maraming taong sumusunod na lang sa trends. May pressure din to keep up na pwedeng makapekto sa confidence at identity ng bawat isa. So,
Yes.
helpful ba or harmful? For me, mas helpful siya. As long
Yes.
as ginagamit natin siya wisely, globalization gives opportunities to learn, matuto, connect, konektado, at ma-express, pero importante pa rin na hindi natin mawala yung sariling identity habang i-connect sa mundo. So, yeah,
So,
yun
yeah.
lang
Tama.
guys.
Ganda.
Sunod ba? Si Fea?
Honestly, ako din, agree din ako. Pero hindi ko siya agad napansin. Do'n na pala siya sa the way ako magsalita, sa mga pinapanood ko, or kahit sa mga preferences ko. Ano, may influence na pala do'n yung mga iba't ibang cultures.
Yeah.
And dahil din, I think dahil din sa globalization, mas naging open-minded ako. Pero natutunan ko rin na importante pa rin na hindi mawala nga yung sarili kong identity or sarili nating identity. And for me, globalization may seem invisible, pero na-realize ko na it's actually part of my everyday life, our everyday life. Sa food na kinakain natin, sa content na pinapanood natin, and everything is somehow connected to other parts of the world. And hindi ko din siya talaga napapansin before, pero ngayon, dahil napag-usapan natin siya, na-topic natin siya, mas naging aware na ako na ako din pala, my choices are influenced by global trends, and at the same time, I'm also contributing to it, us. And this made me think na globalization is not just about convenience, but also about responsibility. Kasi nga, kailangan natin maging mindful sa kung ano yung mga sinusuportahan natin because it affects not just us, but people from different places too. And in the end, globalization isn't just something happening around us. It's something we're part of. So, ayun lang naman.
Tama.
Ikaw, Dayan, anong magiging opinion mo kaya? Agree ka ba?
Personally, oo, nag-change ako. Mas may access na ako sa knowledge, sa opportunities, sa iba't ibang perspectives. Pero I also feel the downside. Nafe-feel ko minsan na nanganganib na yung culture natin, yung nadodominate na tayo ng foreign content. So, both talaga helpful and harmful. Globalization gave me access, pero it also made life more expensive. Pero I think yung pinaka-importanteng tanong is hindi good or bad, kundi sino ang nakikinabang and sino yung naiiwanan kasi hindi pantay-pantay yung effect nito sa lahat. And as Filipinos,
Yeah.
we feel it more than most. We export our people, we import culture, we feel every global shift. So, we can't afford to be passive. Ayun lang naman. Ikaw naman, Riza, para sa'yo.
Um, yes, I will definitely agree. Of course, globalization has changed me. Everyone and everything in this world has changed because of globalization, no matter how small or big it is. Kumbaga, wala nang nakakatakas dun eh. From a simple candy that I can buy from sari-sari store across the street hanggang sa yung mga huge decisions done by our world leaders. Damay-damay talaga tayong lahat. Isipin mo, pati yung mga chichirya sa kanto, may tatak na imported or kaya naman yung mga local brand pero yung ingredients is galing pa nga sa ibang bansa. And yun, everything has its pros and cons. Everything can be harmful and helpful. It's just a matter of how you will utilize it. Parang double-edged sword siya, ganon. Like, take today's internet, yung mga AI, yung mga social media, for example, di ba? It can be good for you, an asset, or it can hold you down and become a liability. And yun, nasa atin na talaga kung paano natin didiskartehan 'tong hyper-connected world na 'to para hindi tayo mapag-iwanan. So, how about Miles Tomahin? What's your thoughts about it?
Globalization has definitely changed me in a lot of ways. Because of it, I'm more aware of different cultures, trends, and ideas from around the world. Like through social media, I get to see how people live in other country and makes me more open-minded. For me, globalization is more helpful than harmful. It makes communication easier, gives more opportunities for learning, and connects people globally. But at the same time, it can also influence us too much, and sometimes we make us lose parts of our own culture. So I think it's uh helpful as long as we know how to balance it. Thank you.
So, yeah, thank you everyone. So, guys, paano ba 'yan? Hanggang sa susunod na episode, manatiling curious, manatiling critical. And sa lahat ng nakikinig, we challenge you to reflect. Has globalization changed you? What's your role in this globalized world? Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you,
For watching our
guys.
podcast.
Thank you, everyone. See you to our next podcast.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay na sa baboy, ang dami.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.